So every New Year, Chinese New Year, the four families would gather at a very different place. I think the first one we did at Sentosa, the second one in Malaysia, last year was in Batam, and this year we're at This is really not very nice. To see my parents in this resort, I have to walk all the way, like up. Look at that stairs. Is that, are they coming on the buggy or are they coming in the car?
I have no idea.
Huh? I think it should be a buggy, it cannot be a car. Oh dear, I expect you guys come in a very grand, a few buggy. I stand by the camera. Oh my god, all of you climbing up the stairs. I'm 2 stories down below.
Wow, you bully all people.
The rain has stopped and now we are heading to town to do some shopping. Seriously, the horse scene.
女神还在冲，还在那个
过时了。
在哪里？
还在冲击她的力，还没有发挥。
Today is very smooth, man. The rain goddess has no power today, so it should be a dry and sunny vacation. Without fail, every CNY is still rain. I live there. Alright. So, do you know where we're going? No? I thought you know the marketplace. Alright. So we are taking a cab. I think this is the toilet. We walk to the toilet. We are here. Elkin, wake up. Elkin. Wake up, we are here. We are going shopping.
Yes. Don't have a lot of money now.
Don't have a lot of money,
Not paying for the taxi and food.
but don't worry. I'm sure we can. Alright, my favorite A&W. Okay. You want anything to eat? Miss A&W. Can't find this in Hong Kong and many places. Yes. Goodbye. See you later. Well, the bar has just opened and I'm now being summoned to go to the bar. Let's go. Oh, so dark. Hey, come on. Waiting for you. Hey, what are you doing? What are you? What are you? What are you? No. No. This is a naughty piggy. Naughty piggy.
哇，你看，
See, abused child. See, while the daughter is suffering abuse, the dad is there drinking. This is really terrible. Hey, Joe. Hey, Joe.
Wow, 64.
Wow, yes!
大概他爸爸的一半呢。
cheese. 对的。我来打灯，我来打灯。